One more thing, like we are just going to discuss one basic concept of OTP brute force only. How we can do it, we will discuss in upcoming sessions when we will be going through the tool burp shoot. But I'm just showing you guys the concept, basic concept. Okay, so just a moment. This particular concept you can see, for example, just a moment. Let me minimize this one. If you go to your learn on TryHackMe, and then if you go to pre-security, okay, learning path. And here we have introduction to cybersecurity, this topic. So if you click on it, you will join into this particular room. And here, if you see, click on the view site, okay, you can see this particular site here. Now, we are discussing the concept of brute force, and specifically, we will be discussing OTP brute force concept here. But the brute force can run on anything, okay? It could be password brute force, it could be OTP brute force, it could be username brute force, okay? Now, what do we mean by brute force is we will be trying, like, if we, for example, if I don't know a particular OTP, so what I will do? I will try 1234, 12345, 1234. 1236, 1237, like that, right? So trying it manually, if we automate this process, okay, that will be considered as a brute force attack only. Okay. Right now, see, here there is a simple social media website, okay, and here on this website, if we access this particular username, we can see that user's profile name. Okay. Now it is asking us like what is the username of the account you will be trying to take over. Okay, so we are saying we will be trying to take over this account. Okay, now if we go forward, there is a forgot password or reset password functionality. Okay, now if whatever username I put here, it will try to reset the password for that particular user. Now if I click here and click on reset password, it will tell you this is normal sites only, right? That we have sent an email to you with a 4-digit code. Now, if you want to reset your password, you have to put that code right here. Okay. If you want to reset your password. Now, what like normally what a user would do, he would access his email and put that code here and reset, click on submit, and then he would be able to reset the password. But as an attacker, we don't have access to that particular user's email ID, right? So because of that, what we can do, we can try to brute force the OTP. It's only a 4-digit code. So each, for example, each digit in that code, right, that could contain 10 different combinations. So that means like from first digit can have 0 to 9, right? 10 digits. Again, the second digit could vary from 0 to 9. So that means 100 combination. Then third digit, same thing, 10 combination. So that means there are 10,000 combinations right now, okay, that we are supposed to try if we want to brute force this particular OTP. Now, if we do it manually, of course, it's going to take a lot of time. So that's where the concept of brute force comes in. Now, what we will do, we will put 0000 right now, just a sample. Okay, you can put whatever you want. We are just testing how the application is responding. Okay, we click on submit, and it is saying the OTP is incorrect. And also, you can see the request. We'll be going to later on how this SPP request is made of and what are the different parameters, how you can understand a bit better of every web request. Okay, we'll be doing that. But right now it is saying that the OTP is incorrect. Okay, now what we'll do, we will go to next thing. Now here we are going to try to brute force. Okay, and there is a functionality in Burp Suite software as well where we can use that functionality to brute force any OTP. Okay, now because it's just starting, that's why we are just trying to use this inbuilt functionality. Okay, right? So that what's it's expecting is give me the from where you want me to start the OTP range. Okay, so we will start from 0000 and we will put the final password could be 9999, right? So that will contain 10,000 combinations. And now if I click on brute force, right, it will start trying all the OTPs. It was very quick, but it is just a concept. Okay, it's not doing it in actual, but it's just showing us the understanding of brute forcing. Okay, and after trying 188 combination, okay, it started with 0000. That's why I'm saying 188 combinations. So from 0000 to 0187, it found the correct OTP. So that's how you can try to brute force OTP. Same thing can be tried for any password as well or any username. If you don't know any username, you can try to send a bunch of username to that particular website as well to find it out. Okay. Now it is asking us to hack the book face account, okay, to reveal the answer. So what we are going to do now that we have submitted the correct OTP, right, 0187, what we can do, we can reset the password. I am putting 12345 and I will reset the password. And on the next page, we will get the flag that we are supposed to put here to complete this particular question. So I hope the concept of brute forcing was clear in brief, and how we can do it with different tools we will be discussing in upcoming sessions.